You've got Walmart, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, TikTok, but where should you be selling right now? And the best part about this is you can look at the numbers. So you can see what's making the most money. We all know Amazon is making the most money at the end of the day. And we're just looking at reach sales, 187 billion dollars in quarter three. That's just one quarter, practically a $1 trillion company, right? And then we can look at Walmart and their earnings as well. And we can see they're in the billions as well, but actually getting pretty close. They're catching up. They are catching up. And this is quarter one and quarter two. We're kind of going back, but they're still doing very, very well. Walmart is a big competitor. Now we can do TikTok. Now this is just showing stats of the users, and we can kind of see how many users there are. And then we can kind of reverse analyze that. They said that the revenue was 23 billion. So they're not even close, but they're still a competitor with a 42% increase over the past year. That's huge. And then of course we have eBay. If you want to look at different metrics with eBay, how they're doing at the end of the day, number of eBay's total active buyers. So the buyers definitely have went down. They've gone most likely to Amazon, Walmart, active buyers. You can kind of go and see the numbers here as well. Here's the numbers to 2023, and this is in millions, and you can do the math right there. So eBay is the smallest out of all of them. That does mean that eBay is the easiest. So if you are to start somewhere, start on eBay. If you've never sold online before, eBay is my recommendation, right? And just kind of learn the whole process of what e-commerce is like. That way you don't lose a lot of money. Number two, and this is probably going to be the biggest one that I am recommending almost every seller get into, and that's going to be in Walmart. So Walmart right now, they only have around like 150,000, 250,000 sellers, compared to Amazon has around 9 million. So keep that in mind that Walmart right now, it's like a little baby. It's ready to grow. When Amazon first started, a lot of the sellers had tons of reviews. So if you were the first one on Amazon way back when, it was so easy to get reviews. There was like no rules, right? And if you look at somebody, you're like, how do they have 57,000 reviews? How did they get that many? They were one of the originals, right? So 68,000. It's crazy, these numbers. I know the reviews aren't that good. Amazon probably removed a lot of the fake ones, right? Because they did have a lot of fake reviews. That's why their listings were doing so well. But even then, they still have so many reviews. 28,000 reviews, 68,000. It's crazy numbers. But that's how Walmart is right now. There is a way to syndicate reviews from your website or from different platforms and make your reviews skew, right? So there's a lot of different things you can do, but Walmart is definitely one area I'd highly recommend doubling down, because they've been putting so much money in to compete against Amazon. Not only that, they've got the omni-channel, they're seller friendly. The biggest thing is going to be their incentives. So Amazon does have some of the highest fees because they're the biggest. Walmart, once your product starts to sell and Walmart finds it even a little bit popular, and I mean not even that much, they start reducing your costs. So we've had many of our clients' items where Amazon charges a 15% referral fee, and then Walmart charges zero. They were charging zero, and they still are on a lot of products, or even a discounted rate, which is completely insane at the end of the day. Nobody does that. Nobody gives referral discounts, but Walmart's putting so much in trying to have the most popular products. And that's why there's a huge potential right now, since it's newer. eBay's great to start out with. Walmart's kind of getting there. They're making some progress, right? But at the end of the day, if you're a brand new seller, you never sold before, start on eBay. If you already know what you're doing, right? I'll recommend to at least start growing to Walmart. No matter what, you want to get on Amazon, you want to learn Amazon. Amazon's going to be one of the hardest platforms to learn. You've got Whatnot and TikTok if you're good at selling, that salesman like where you can even put on a little show, entertain. That's going to be your forte. Amazon and Walmart are going to be where the money's at long term. And Walmart is much, much easier right now. And if you can get in now, there's a huge chance that it's going to be in overtime. It's going to be really catching up to Amazon. And you're going to be sitting there being like, I'm glad I started now because it's so much easier. But at the end of the day, if you do sell online, you can always get a free listing audit from us in the description. It's completely free. We're going to go over your top competitors. We even do one for Walmart now, where we can see exactly how much your top competitors are making, Amazon, Walmart, all that good stuff. But that's it for today's video. Drop a like if you learned something new. And if you need help with anything regarding Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok, we're here for you. We specialize in all of these platforms, and we can make sure we're increasing your sales every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.